हेलो एवरीवन। आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम क्लास 10 के चैप्टर नंबर 1 दैट इज लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स के प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 के न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। इसके पहले मैं एक वीडियो लेक्चर ऑलरेडी बना चुका हूँ विच इज ऑल अबाउट बेसिक कंसेप्ट्स ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। उस वीडियो लेक्चर में हमने मेथड्स टू सॉल्व साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस को डिस्कस किया था विच इज सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड एंड एलिमिनेशन मेथड। यूजिंग दोज मेथड्स आज इस लेक्चर में हम प्रैक्टिस सेट 1.1 के सारे न्यूमेरिकल्स को सॉल्व करेंगे। सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले विल स्टार्ट विद द लेक्चर। Fine. So the very first question in practice set 1.1 is actually an activity. In activity, we don't have to actually solve the given equations. Everything is done for you. You have some boxes that you need to fill. So look at this. You have two equations. First is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9 and the second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now it is already given that the equations are added. Let's add equations 1 and 2. So here look at this. Plus 3y minus 3y. This will get cancelled out. 5x plus 5x plus 2x will give 7x. 9 plus 12 will be 21. So if I shift this 7 on the other side, so 21 will be divided by 7, which will give the value of x as 3. Now we have the value of x. So what we do is we put x is equal to 3 in the second equation. So here 5x, x की जगह you will put 3. So 5 into 3 is 15. So 15 will be shifted on the other side. So what happens? 3y is equal to 9. This 15 will be shifted here. So this will be 9 minus 15, which is minus 6. Now shift this 3 on the other side. So this will be minus 6 divided by 3, which is minus 2. Therefore the required solution will be 3 comma minus 2. I hope this is clear. It was very easy. Now we'll move on to the question from your exercise, that is practice set. You have two equations. First is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and the second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. We'll just copy down the equations. Equation 1 is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. I mark this equation as 1. The second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Let this equation be equation number 2. Now see, there's this thing. They have not mentioned to use substitution method or elimination method. So we are free to use any of the methods. So what I'll do is I'll solve some numericals using elimination method and some numericals using elimination method. So now for this particular case, I will use elimination method. If you remember, in elimination method, what happens? Any one of the variable ends up getting eliminated. So here if I observe this, in both the equations, coefficient of variable b is same. Coefficient of b is same, that is 5. So if I subtract the equations, this term will get eliminated. So here what I will do is I will subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So this will be 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 minus a plus 5b is equal to 22. So 3a minus a will be 2a, 5b minus 5b will be 0 is equal to 26 minus 22 will give me 4. Acha, one more thing. What we do is if I subtract the equations, we change the sign. Here plus a will be treated as minus a, plus 5b will be treated as minus 5b and plus 22 will be treated as minus 22. Now solving this further, a is equal to 4 divided by 2, which will be 2. Therefore, in this particular equation, the value of a turns out to be 2. Fine. Now I need to find the value of b. So how to solve this? I will put a is equal to 2 in any one of the equations. So for now, I will consider equation 1, that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. Here I will put a is equal to 2. The equation will be 3 multiplied with 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. 3 into 2 is 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. So 5b is equal to 26 minus 6, that is 5b is equal to 20. So b will be 20 divided by 5, which is 4. Therefore, the value of b turns out to be 4. Now we have the value of a and value of the b. So we'll write a final statement. The solution is, the required solution is a comma b, which is 2 comma 4. I hope this method is clear to you. Now we'll move on to the next slide. We have this second question again, in which we have two equations. I will change the color for now. I'll again copy the equations. X plus 7y is equal to 10. Let this be equation number 1. And the second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. I mark this equation as 2. Now again I will use elimination method. For elimination, what we need is, out of any two variables, one variable should have the coefficient as same. यहाँ पे if I observe x का coefficient is 1 and in this case x का coefficient is 3. So to make the coefficients equal, I need to modify the equations. Now how to modify this equation? If I multiply equation 1 by 3, so what will happen? 1x multiplied with 3 will give me 3x. So I will have the coefficients of x as 3. So to solve this, what we do is, we multiply equation 1 by 3. Equations will be modified. First equation will turn out to be 3x plus 21y is equal to 30, and the second equation will remain as it is, 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now observe this, the coefficient of x is same, so I will subtract the equations. On subtraction, what we get is, we first change the sign. Plus 3x will be treated as minus 3x, minus 2y will be plus 2y, and plus 7 will be treated as minus 7. So 3x minus 3x will eliminate the variable x. 21y plus 2y, so this will give plus 23y. 30 minus 7 will be 23. Therefore y is equal to 23 divided by 23, which is 1. Therefore we have the value of y as 1. Hope this is clear to you. Now to find the value of x, what I will do is, I will substitute y is equal to 1 in any one of the equations. For now I'll consider equation 2. So I write a statement, put y is equal to 1 in equation 2. What is equation 2? That it is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. I will replace y with 1. So this will be 3x minus 2, in place of y I write 1 is equal to 7. So 3x minus 2 is equal to 7, which implies 3 is equal to minus 2 को shift करेंगे on the right hand side. So 7 plus 2 is 9. X is equal to 9 upon 3, which is 3. Therefore x turns out to be 3. X turns out to be 3. Therefore we'll write a final statement. The required solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. I hope this solution is clear to you. We'll move on to the next slide. Now again we have two equations. I copy the equations. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Let this be equation number 1. Second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. Let this be equation number 2. Now if you observe this, I have the coefficient of x as same. In both the cases the coefficient is 2, it is same. So I can easily use elimination method. So I'll go with elimination method again. We'll write a statement, subtract equation 2 from 1. What will happen? I'll copy the equations. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9 minus the second equation is 2x plus y is equal to 13. As I said, if you subtract the equations, the signs will change. Plus 2x will be treated as minus 2x, plus y will be treated as minus y, and plus 13 will be treated as minus 13. So 2x minus 2x will eliminate this term. Minus 3y minus 4y will give me minus 4y is equal to 9 minus 13 will give minus 4. So therefore y will be minus 4 divided by minus 4, which is 1. Therefore for this particular equation, for this equation we have y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. Again, to find the value of x, what we will do is we will put y is equal to 1 in any one of these equations. So I consider put y is equal to 1 in equation 1. What is equation 1? 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. I replace y with 1. So this will be 2x minus 3 into 1 is equal to 9. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 9, which means 2x is equal to minus 3 को shift करेंगे on the other side. So 9 plus 3 will be 12. So therefore x is equal to 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Therefore x value turns out to be 6. X value turns out to be 6. So we'll write a final statement. The required solution is x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. I hope this is clear to you. We'll move on to the next slide. Again we have two equations. I'll copy the equations. First is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. Let this be equation number 1. And then I have another equation, m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. Let this be equation number 2. Now in this particular equation I'll use substitution method. So for substitution method, if you remember, we consider any one equation. So now for this particular equation I will consider equation number 2. From equation number 2 I'll copy this, m minus 6n is equal to minus 7. I can easily find the value of m if I shift this minus 6n on the other side. So m will be minus 7 plus 6n. So I mark this equation as equation number 3, correct? Now what is the method? If I find the value of m using equation number 2, so I will replace m with minus 7 plus 6n in equation number 1. You need to remember this. If you use equation number 2, so I cannot resubstitute m in the same equation. If I use equation 2, so I will substitute m is equal to whatever the value is in the second equation. So now for in this case, I will put m is equal to minus 6 plus 6n in equation 1. Solving this, equation 1 was 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. So m will be replaced with minus 7 plus 6n minus 3n is equal to 19. Solving this further, this 5 will be multiplied inside the bracket. So 5 into minus 7 will be minus 35 plus 5 into 6 will be 30n minus 3n is equal to 19. Now minus 35 plus 30n minus 3n will be, this will be plus 27n is equal to 19. Now shift this minus 35 on the other side. So here we have 27n is equal to 19 plus 35. 19 plus 35, which is 27n is equal to 54. So n will be 54 divided by 27, which is 27 1 to 2. Yes, the value of n turns out to be 2. I hope this is clear to you. Fine. Now we have the value of n. I need to find the value of m. Now if you look at equation number 3, we have a separate equation for variable m. So in equation 3, I will put n is equal to 2. So after this, I'll write a statement, put n is equal to 2 in equation number 3. I'll copy the equation, m is equal to minus 7 plus 6n. In this, I will replace n with 2. So 6 multiplied with 2. Minus 7 plus 6 into 2 is 12. 12 minus 7 will be 5. So m turns out to be 5. So this was the solution. We'll write the final statement. The required solution is m is equal to 5 and n is equal to 2. I hope this is clear to you. In this particular case, I have used substitution method. If you want, you can try elimination method as well. The answer will be same. Moving on to the next sum. Fifth sum, I'll change the color for this. We'll go with this color. I'll copy the equations. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3, and the second equation is x plus 5y is equal to 4. Mark this as 1, mark this as 2. Now again, I'll go with substitution method. In substitution method, what we do is we consider any one of the equation. So for now, I will consider equation number 2. Equation number 2. I'll copy the equation x plus 5y is equal to 4. Now from this equation, I can easily find the value of x. If I shift this 5y on the other side, so the equation will turn into x is equal to 4 minus 5y. So this equation is very important. I will mark this as equation number 3. Now, equation 3 has been derived from equation number 2. So what I will do is I will replace x with 4 minus 5y in equation number 1. In equation number 1. So I will write put equation 3 in equation number 1. I'll copy the equation. The equation was 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3. In this, x will be replaced with 4 minus 5y, then plus 2y is equal to minus 3. If you want, you can write from 3, because I have replaced the value of x with 4 minus 5y, which is already given in equation number 3. If you multiply this 5 inside the bracket, so this will be 20 minus 25y plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Solving this further, 20 minus 25 plus 2y, this will be minus 23y is equal to minus 3. Now shift this minus 23y on the right hand side and shift this minus 3 on the left hand side. So the equation will be 20 plus 3 is equal to 23y. This is 23 is equal to 23y. So which means 23 divided by 23 is equal to y, which is y is equal to 1. Y is equal to 1. So we have the value of y now, that is 1. So we need to find the value of x. But if you observe equation number 3, we have a separate equation for variable x. So in this equation, I will put y is equal to 1. Put y is equal to 1 in equation number 3. I'll copy the equation. X is equal to 4 minus 5y. This implies x is equal to 4 minus 5 into 1. So this will be 4 minus 5, which is x is equal to minus 1. I hope the solution is clear to you. Again, we'll write the final statement. The required solution is x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to plus 1. I hope this is clear to you. Moving on to the next slide. We'll change the color now. Again, we have two equations, but if you observe this is a bit different equation. The coefficients of x and y in both the equations are in terms of fraction. So remember this, if you have equations of this type, so what you will do, you will modify the equations. You will try to eliminate the fraction wala term. So what I can do is, if I multiply, before solving this, we will modify the equations. If I multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4, so when I say equation 1, so we are talking about this, and equation 2 is this. I will multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 4. So what happens? 1 upon 3x. I'll write this. Consider equation number 1. Equation number 1 is 1 upon 3x plus y is equal to 10 upon 3. I multiply this with 3. So what will happen? 1 upon 3x into 3 will be x plus y into 3 will be 3y is equal to 10 upon 3 multiplied with 3 will give you 10. So this is the required equation. I mark this as 3. Now we'll modify the second equation. The second equation was 2x plus 1 upon 4y is equal to 11 upon 4. I multiply this equation by 4. So what will happen? 2x into 4 will be 8x. 1 upon 4y into y will be plus y is equal to 11 upon 4 multiplied with 4 will give me 11. This is also required equation. So I mark this as 4. I mark this as 4. Now we will solve equation number 3 and equation number 4. So again I'll copy the equation on this side. X plus 3y is equal to 10 and the second is 8x plus y is equal to 11. Now before solving this, if you look at this, the coefficient of y in the first equation is 3 and coefficient of y in the second equation is 1. So to use elimination method, what we need is the coefficients of the variable should be same. So what we can do is, if I multiply this equation with 3, so the coefficients of y will be same. Look at this. If I multiply equation 3, oh wait, equation number 4, this was equation number 4, this was equation 3 and this was equation number 4. I'll erase this. If I multiply equation number 4 by 3, so the equations will be x plus 3y is equal to 10. This remains as it is, and 4 is multiplied with 3. So 8 into 3 will be 24x plus y into 3 will be 3y is equal to 11 into 3 is 33. Now if you observe, the coefficients of y are same. The coefficients of y are same. So I will subtract the equations. So minus 24 will be treated as minus 24, plus 3y will be treated as minus 3y, and plus 33 will be treated as minus 33. So 3y minus 3y gets eliminated. Minus 24x plus x will give me minus 23x is equal to, now 10 minus 33. 10 minus 33 will be minus 23. So x will be minus 23 divided by minus 23, which is 1. Therefore, for this particular equation, x ka value is 1. Fine. Now I have the value of x. To find the value of y, what I will do is, I will put x is equal to 1 in any one of these equations. So I'll write a statement. Put x is equal to 1. In equation number 3. Let me copy the equation first. X plus 3y is equal to 10. Now I'll move the canvas. Fine. X ko I'll put this as 1 plus 3y is equal to 10. So 3y is equal to, shift this 1 on the other side, 10 minus 1. So 3y turns out to be 9, which implies y is equal to 9 by 3, which is 3. Therefore, y is 3. We'll write a statement. The required solution is x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. I hope the solution is clear to you. Again, I repeat, if you want, you can use substitution method as well, but it is not mentioned in your question book, so I have used elimination method. You can try solving this by using method of substitution. Now moving on to the next slide. Now this question is a bit different. To solve this, the approach will be slightly different, so I want you to make sure to understand this. This question and the next, that is question number 8, will be solved in the same manner. I'll change the color for this. We'll go with yellow. What I do is I'll copy the equation first. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. Let this be equation number 1. The second equation is 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. Let this be equation number 2. Let this be equation number 2. Now if you look at the coefficients of x and y, the numbers are large, 99, 101. The constants are again 499, 501. So the calculation will be uh, difficult, not convenient for us. So what we do is we simplify the given equations. We will simplify the given equations. So to simplify this, the first step is add 1 and 2. Add equation 1 and 2. So what will happen? 99x plus 101x. So I'll just copy this. 99x plus 101y is equal to 499 plus 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. If you add this, so 99 plus 101 will give 200x plus 99y plus 101y will give 200y is equal to 501 plus 499 will give 1000. To simplify this equation, what we can do is we can divide this equation by 200. Dividing this equation by 200, so the equation will be x plus y is equal to 5. I mark this equation as 3. Now I have only one equation. I need to find the second equation for the solution. So in the first place, what we did, we added the equations. Now we will subtract the equations. Subtract equation 1 from equation number 2. So second equation was 101x plus 99y is equal to 501. I subtract equation 1 from this, that is 99x plus 101y is equal to 499. If you subtract this, 101 minus 99 will give you plus 2x. 99 minus 101 is minus 2y is equal to 501 minus 499 is plus 2. Again, we can divide this equation by 2 to simplify this. So the equation will be x minus y is equal to 1. I mark this equation number 4. Now if you look at this, equation number 3 and equation number 4 are easier for us to solve as compared to equation number 1 and 2. Again, I am repeating, if you want, you can solve this. You can solve the given question by considering equation 1 and 2, but it is convenient to go with equation 3 and 4. The only purpose is to solve the equations. So we have equation 3 and equation number 4. I'll write the equations once again. I'll copy the equations. Equation 3 is x plus y is equal to 5, and equation 4 was x minus y is equal to, we'll look at this, it is plus 1 is equal to 1. Now I have two equations. This was equation 3 and this was equation number 4. Now I can use elimination method. If you observe, coefficient of y is 1 and coefficient of y in this case is again 1, but the signs are different. Here it is plus and here it is minus. So what I will do is, instead of subtracting the equations, I will add them. So plus y minus y will get eliminated. X plus x will give me 2x is equal to 5 plus 1 is 6. So x will be 6 by 2, that is 3. Therefore for this particular equation, x ka value turns out to be 3. I hope this is clear to you. Now we need to find the value of y. So what we do in elimination method, if you know the value of any one of the variable, you substitute the value of the variable in any one of the equations. So what I will do is, I will consider equation 4. Consider not 4, we'll go with equation 3. Consider equation number 3, which is x plus y is equal to 5. I replace x with 3. 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y will be 5 minus 3, which is y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. This was the solution. We'll write a statement. The required solution is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2. I hope this solution is clear to you. Now we have only one question left. We'll look into the last sum. First, I'll draw a line for separation. We'll change the color. I'll take this. Now again look at this. If you observe the question, there are two equations. First is 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, and the second equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. Now again, if you want, you can solve this by using substitution or elimination method. But again, if you look at the coefficients, the numbers are large, so the calculation will be a bit difficult. So what we will do is, we will modify the equations, we will try to simplify the equations, and then we will solve the equation as we did in the previous question. So in the first place, what we do is we add the equations. Add equation 1 and equation 2. Achha, this is equation 1 and this is equation number 2. So if you add the equations, I'll copy the equations. 49x minus 57y is equal to 172, plus the second equation is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252. So 49 plus 57, 99. This will be 106x. Then minus 57 minus 49. So this will again be 106x. Correct. Now 172 plus 252. 2 plus 2 will be 4. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 2 plus 2, this is again 4. Fine. Now again, if you look at this, we can simplify this. If I divide this by 106, first we check. We divide 4 to 4 by 106. So if I multiply this with 4, so this will be 424. Yes, correct. 424 is divisible by 106. So I will divide this equation by 106. So the equation will turn out to be, achha, I made a mistake. This is y. This is y. So the equation when divided by 106 will turn out to be x minus y is equal to 4. X minus y is equal to 4. I mark this equation as 3. Let this equation be 3. Now I have only one equation. I need to find the other equation. So what we do is we subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Equation 2 is 57x minus 49y is equal to 252, minus the first equation was 49x minus 57y. I'll erase this. Equation 1 में we have minus 57y is equal to 172. As I said, if you subtract the equation, signs will change. This will be minus 49, this will be plus 57, and this will be minus 172. Fine. So 15.7 minus 49, this will be 8x. Then 57 minus 49, this is again plus 8y. Let me check. Plus y. Yes, correct. Now 252 minus 172. 2 minus 2 is 0. 15 minus 7. 8. 1 minus 7 is fine. The answer is 80. Now again this equation can be divided by 8. So the equation will be x plus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. I mark this equation as 4. Now what we will do is, instead of solving equation 1 and 2, I will solve equation 3 and 4. Consider equation 3 and 4. Copy the equations. X minus y is equal to 4, and this is equation 3, and equation 4 is x plus y is equal to 10. This is equation number 4. If you observe, y ka coefficient in both the cases same, that is 1, but the signs are opposite. So what we will do is we will add equation 3 and equation 4. We'll solve it on the right hand side. I draw a line for separation. So x minus y is equal to 4 plus x plus y is equal to 10. Minus y plus y will get cancelled. X plus x will be 2x is equal to 4 plus 10 is 14. So x will be 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So we have the value of x as 7. Now if you know the value of any one of the variable, it is very easy to find the second variable. I will put x is equal to 7 in any one of these equations. So now we'll consider equation number 4. I'll write a statement. Put x is equal to 7. Put x is equal to 7 in equation number 4. Equation number 4 is x plus y is equal to 10. I will put x is equal to 7 plus y is equal to 10, which implies y is equal to 10 minus 7, which means y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Therefore, now I have the value of x, I have the value of y. We'll write a final statement. The required solution is x is equal to 7 and y is equal to 3. With this, we are done with the practice set 1.1. I hope all the solutions are clear to you. So this was all about practice set 1.1. I hope this was helpful to you. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Till then, thank you and we'll meet in the next lecture.